Good evening. Good evening, all.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
How are you, people? Hello. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Good.
Fine,
Sir,
sir.
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Yes,
Fine, sir.
I'm fine. So we'll discuss. We'll discuss the question paper. Okay. How was the test?
Sir, quite easy, sir.
Yes, sir, it was easy, sir.
Except for one question, sir, that I didn't understand.
We'll just
Yes, sir.
go through the question paper. We'll discuss that now. Well, let me share the screen. I think few of you were having a problem with uh, one or two students have texted me that few questions were wrong. What is the question?
In one of the question, the option was wrong, sir.
Okay. We'll check it.
Correct
We'll check
option
it.
was
I'll give the marks accordingly. Don't worry about that. So look at the question. If P1 and P2 are two odd prime numbers, then such that P1 is greater than P2, then P1 square minus P2 square is what? So two odd prime numbers, what is the even number? How many have you got this?
Sir, me, sir.
Akshara, why didn't you write the test? How many of you didn't write the test? I said the test wasn't available. No, test was available actually, but I contacted. Okay, what they said, Akshara? What they said? Yes, Sai, please, Sai, you make sure that you are talking to ma'am. Ma'am will help you in that. See, those who are having an issue, please talk to Sirisha ma'am. Yes, Akshara. Sharon, please do approach ma'am, okay? Any doubt with the first question?
No, sir.
Second question, which of the following rational numbers have terminating decimal?
So once can you check this? Actually, all are
Yes.
only one is terminating in this.
Only fourth one is correct, sir.
Yes, sir. The first one is not terminating.
Yeah, the first one is not
Yes, only
correct.
425.
Is it terminated? The first one is
16 by 225.
225, sir.
so 16 by 225 is terminating, right?
No, sir. Since
No, sir.
it is not a multiple of 2 and 5, no, sir.
Yes. So it is not
2 or
terminating.
5, so it's not possible.
It is
It
not
will include
possible.
3 as well.
So 1 and 4 given.
Yes, sir. 1 and 4. That's given.
So only 4 is missing.
Only 4 is possible.
16 by 225. 16 by 225. Have you tried like this?
yes. By taking LCM of 225, we are getting 3
0
square.
point. 0 point is nothing but 0. 0. 0.0. So 7 times. Not 7.
Yes, sir. It's 0.07111. It comes like that.
0.0.
11 is 0.07111. Yeah, sir.
Repeats like that.
Yes, sir.
What about others?
Same, sir.
Yes, it repeats. It is what I have terminating decimal. And the second one, 5 by 18.
2 and 3 are
Mm,
factors of 18.
Only
Actually,
3 and 2.
Sorry.
2
So
and
2 and 3 are factors of this, sir.
2 and 3 have, okay. Yes. Terminating decimal. So 2 and 3 answer should be B, right? Okay, no problem. I'll reconsider this. How many of you did this correctly? And I'll just do one thing. Yeah,
So I kept
So I choose the D option because it has 4 on it and it was correct.
Yeah, sir, even for me it was correct.
okay. Those who lost the marks, I just message me. I'll update your marks.
okay.
Next, look at this. The value of the given equation, the expression when x value is that. Simply look at this, substitute there and simplify it. How many of you did this, beta? How many of you did this? I need a response from everyone. Look at this. Yuktasri, Vivek, Saranya, Ritvik, Charan, Pranav, Nitya, Modita, Dipsika, Aditi. Okay, Aditi is here. Akshara. Tell me the value of this thing is what?
12, sir.
12, sir.
Yes. How many of you got this? If at all you have doubt, I'll teach this. If you don't have any doubts, we'll go for the next question. Simply,
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir. Sir, in the first question, can you just go to the first question? There's a mistake. Yes, sir. Here they told the answer is a even number, but it's odd number, no, sir. Sorry, it's even number, no, sir. For me, it's showing the answer is odd number.
why it is?
Sorry, sir.
Why it is showing like this? Given number only, right?
I don't know, sir. I got wrong for this. That's why.
Okay, okay. If you got, I'll add.
Okay, sir.
Mohit, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll add it.
Okay, sir.
It is a even number only. You take any two prime numbers, all prime numbers you take and just cross verify that. You definitely will be getting an even number. Next, fourth question, guys. If you do not know the answer of the question, please kindly message me in the chat box. Put a message called IDK. Okay, if
So, can you explain this, sir? If P is a positive prime integer, what it mean by positive prime integer, sir?
positive prime, that should be a prime number and that should be a positive. Look, I'll tell you, positive prime integer is a positive number only, basically. Look at this. Let me, how many of you did this and how many of you have not done?
Sir, I did it, sir.
I have done, sir.
Sir, I also did.
Okay. See, I should get a response from every one of you. 1 second. Very good, very good, very good. Let us solve on the screen. P is a positive prime number, yes, good. You take anything, Vita, look at this here. He has given a positive prime number. What we have to prove? What we have to show actually? What is that question? Then root P is what? Root P is a rational number. But look at this. We have solved this type of question. No problem. Look at this here. Which question is the fourth question or fifth question? Fourth question.
Fourth.
Root P is what? Rational number. Okay, and we took root P as something. Anything you take it as A by B, equate it. The rational number is nothing but P by Q form. We can write it as squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. So what you have to do? P is equal A square
Got it.
B square. Okay, P dividing what now? Look at this here.
B square as well as.
A square is equal to P B square. We solved a similar type of question. Two questions we solved. Okay.
Yes, sir. Root
Okay.
7.
Ama. Yes. Look at this. If you go with something like that, then you will be getting a, like we can, assumption will be, our assumption would be wrong. Then we'll be considering that as an irrational number. That is how we can do that. Same
Yes.
type of question we solved. Got it
H
now?
Yes, I got
Yes,
it.
please go through that. Same question we have solved. The decimal expansion is what? Will terminate after how many places?
4, sir.
It will terminate after 4 decimal. Yes. Look at this. He has given a solution as well. Look at this. 145.87 divided by 1250. So yes, after 4 decimals, after 4 decimal places, it is terminating. After 4 decimal places, it is terminating. Clear? Is it clear, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very simple question that was. Now look at this, the largest number which divides 62. Guys, I think we solved this question. Same question, am I correct? Same question we solved. I think it came as the same thing. We solved this question 62, 132, 237, leaves the remainder in each case. So what we did, beta? So 62, okay. Hello people, have we solved this or not?
Yes, sir.
How did we solve this?
Sir, reminder I have taken as variable, sir, and I have subtracted 132 minus 62 as well as 132 minus.
One the way what?
So I did like A minus B, B minus C, C minus A.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Same
Why?
way.
B minus A, B minus A, C minus
Again, sir, I
B.
didn't understand this question, sir.
Yes, B, B minus C, and C minus A.
No, we solved the same question. What is his name? Kavya ji. I'll teach you, no problem. How many of you haven't got this? Guys, how many of you didn't get this? No one responds. Have you got or not?
Sir, I got it, sir.
Very simple, but I taught you already this sum. Am I correct? See, first of all, the same procedure, whichever we have, whichever he has given here, same thing we solved. For suppose you can take like this if you want, to solve in a elaborative way. I will show you. Look at this. That was some question. So I do not know which is the greatest number. Large number I do not know. Let largest number is equal x. So which will give us what? Same reminder. So that I took it as x. So 62 is equal to a, the large number I don't know, ax plus reminder. And another number 132 given that, let's say that b into x plus r, same reminder we are getting every time. Look at this. So next 137 is equal to cx plus r. Check. Look at this here. 1, 2, 3. Correct? Understood, guys? So this is how I just stored. Look at it now. Just solve these two and solve these two and solve these two. So first of all, look at this here. Second number equation minus first number equation. If I do so, what you are going to get? 132 minus 62, 70. 72. So bx minus ax. Correct?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So now check. Now 3 minus 2. If you do 3 minus 2, what you are going to get?
105, I think.
Yes, 105 is equal to cx minus bx. If you do 3 minus 1, what you are going to get? 175. Cx minus ax. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
Now 170 is equal to b minus a into x. So 105 into c minus b into x. So 175 is equal to c minus a into x. Correct? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now here, this is what I got. Now check how we got 105 and all. I took that. See, HCF of the all this you take. HCF of all this, what do you get? 30, 35. That is how we solve this. The largest number divides and the same remainder. Look at this. Every case the remainder is same. Every case the remainder is same. So HCF of all this gives me what? HCF of 70, 105, 175 gives me what? The answer which we wanted. Correct? And that's the largest number is asking. So greatest, highest common factor we need to find out.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So yes. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Next question. If n is a natural number, then 9 to the power of 2n minus 4 to the power of 2n is always divisible by. Yes. Yes, very
Sir,
simple.
both 5 and 13.
Yes, both 5 and 13. Natural number, n is a natural number, then it is divisible by what?
So once can you explain this one?
Yes. How many of you didn't get it?
I didn't get it, sir.
When I didn't get it, sir.
Okay. So look at what he has given here. First of all, you read the question properly. What he has given. 9 to the power of 2n minus 4 to the power of 2n. Yes. Let me write the question. Yes. The natural number, what is that? 9 to the power of 2n minus 4 to the power of 2n is always divisible by what? So this can be written as what? If you agree with my point, 9 square over to the power of n. This can be written as 2 square over to the power of 2 to the power of 4. So 4 square 16. Can you write like 16 to the power of n? 4 square over to the power of n. Correct? Guys, it is 81 to the power of n minus 16 to the power of n. So we have a one beautiful note actually. If you have a to the power of n minus b to the power of s, it is always divisible by a minus b. Everyone take this note. It is always divisible by a minus b. So if it is the case, now look at this, a power of n minus b power of n. So 81 minus 16, how much? 65. All right. So this is the answer. And what are the factors of that 65? Natural number then is divisible by. So 39 5 is the answer. What factors
Sir,
is
why
that?
can't I take 165, sir?
Sorry? No. Look at what he has given here. Natural number which is divisible by always. Always divisible by that. So now look at 13, 15. So both 13 and 15, none of this. Both you have to choose, not only one. Correct? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very, very important note. What about you, Harini? Understood?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Highest common factor of this and this. How do you calculate this? First factorize this and then find out the common factor. That's it. Guys, any doubts here?
No
Not
doubt, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. If at all any one of you want me to discuss, I'll go with this. This is also very simple question. Best look at this. What you have to do here. Let me teach you cube root of 32, something given to you. Cube root of 32 is equal to the power of x. How can you just solve this? This can be written as what? 32 to the power of 1 by
Like
3.
32 as 2 to the power 5.
Yes. 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. 5 by 3 is equal to power of x. X is equal to 5. Option D is correct. Any doubts? Any doubt, people?
no, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next. Somebody's texting. Very good, Yukta. Because if this is equal to this, then A comma B comma when A comma B belongs to Q, then what is that?
So A is 5, B is 2, sir.
A is 5.
B is 2, so after we use the A plus
Yes.
B whole square formula, we'll be getting 2 plus 2 root 6 plus
And
3,
you have to
sir.
check, verify, cross verify. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Guys, look at this here. Expand A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB format, and which is equal to A plus B root 6. Please do expand that. If you expand that, you can just you will get an expression. So if you substitute the options, whichever the option satisfies to that, that is going to be your option. Any doubts? Children, are you listening to the class?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving the remainder 5, 8. So very, very simple. So I already told you, beta, look at it, 70 minus 5, 120 minus 8. 125 minus 8. So the required, whatever the number you get, and take a HCF of all that. Is it clear, people, this one? Beta,
Yes.
170 and 125, leaving the remainder. So 70 minus 25, 70 minus 5, 125 minus 8. Is it clear or not, people? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
To find out the HCF of the numbers which you get there. 65 and 117, yes, go and check. Yes, 65 and 117 we are getting after subtracting the reminders. So HCF of both the numbers, it will be 30. Yeah, this question we have solved. The previous question which we solved, this one already we solved that. Okay, again I repeated, no problem.
Yeah.
The greatest possible number which when we divide 37 and 58 leaves the respective numbers after remainder. The greatest possible number. What we have to do here again? What we must make? Tell me how to solve this.
So 37 minus 2 and 58
Yes.
minus 2. And the HCF will be 5, sir.
Same procedure, guys. Any doubt, girls? Modita ji, Nitya, Nityasri. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Udbhav. Any doubt, Udbhav?
No, sir.
Good. So next, if two positive integers A and B are written and like this, A is equal to this, B is equal to this. where x comma y are prime numbers, then HCF of AB is what?
So can you explain this one? So I didn't get it.
No problem. I'll explain you. What about others? See, I'm observing who is responding actually
doubt,
in the
sir.
class and
No
who is
doubt, sir.
responding in the class.
No doubt, sir.
What about Modita? Are you here, Modita? Nitya Srikruti, are you here? Nitya, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand? Why don't you respond?
Understanding, sir.
Okay. Try to respond in the class. So two positive integers A and B. Okay, this and the very x and y are prime numbers. Then HCF of A and B we need to find out. So let's make this question very simple. A value what given?
X cube and Y cube. Sir.
Y square and xy cube. So what is the HCF beta? What is the HCF here? X y square is HCF. How? Highest common factor. Look at this here. Common sense. X into x into x into y into y. This one x into y into y into y. So what is the common thing you are getting here? 1x in both the things. So HCF is going to be in HCF also you'll get 1x. And what is the minimum term? What are the common terms you are getting? Y into y and y into a here. So y square. That is HCF. Any doubts? X y
No
square.
doubt, sir.
Any
No,
doubt?
sir.
What is this? What is her name? Harini ji. Did you understand how I just found the HCF here?
Yes, sir, got it.
Next. The sum of the exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of. How many have you did this? This is a very good question.
So prime factorizing 196 and then adding the exponents.
The sum of the exponents of prime factors. Yes.
It will be 2 square into 7 square.
Sorry.
Like factorization would be 2 square into 7 square.
Yes. What about others?
Yes, sir, I got this one. 2 plus 2. If we add the exponents, we will be getting 4.
Very simple question. Guys, everyone knows how to do prime factorization, right?
Yes, sir.
What about I'm not getting response from every one of you. I'm getting a response, very few responses.
Sir, I know how to do prime factorization.
What about others? I need a responses from everyone here. Very good, Yukta. And what about Aditi, Nitya, Modita, Satvik, Saranya? Who is Saranya? I don't understand. Saranya, you are not responding nowadays. Why?
I respond, sir.
Pranav, Vivek, Satvik.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
See, everyone must respond here. If you want me to repeat the same sentence again and again, I'll just go with it. If I'm asking one time, everyone must go with that. Next question. n square 1 is divisible by 8.
Odd integer.
Okay, Akshara. N square minus 1 is divisible by 8. Then n is what? Divisible by 8. Then what is n?
Odd integer.
Yes,
Yes,
how many of
odd
you got this?
integer.
How odd integer?
So like for this question, I did n square minus 1 is p.
Hmm.
So n square is equal to p plus 1.
Very good.
Therefore, it's an odd number.
Plus 1 is an add. Very simple. Very same thing he has done. You can just cross check by taking the numbers as well. So the least perfect square which is divisible by 8, 15, 20, 22 is what? The least perfect square which least perfect square number which is divisible by 8, 15, 25, 20.
So like for this question, I first squared, first I found the LCM of this number and then squared it.
Yes, least perfect square. That's it. Guys, are you able to understand? First of all, least perfect square, and if he's talking about largest number kind of thing in the question, you have to use HCF. He's talking about least perfect square, which is divisible by 8, 15, 20, 22, which means you must find out LCM of the numbers given to you. After finding the LCM, I got to know that the LCM is 1320. So, and the square of that 132 into 132, how much? 132 into 132. So you could see that not 132 into 132. You could see that. So LCM of all the 1350. So least perfect square we need least perfect square. Least perfect square is yes. The given number, the numbers which has been given to you among them, least perfect square. What is that?
Yes.
So
If you don't,
435600,
if you don't
which is
understand,
basically the whole square
yes, I
of
don't.
1320, sir.
Listen, guys, if at all anyone don't understand, I'll teach you. Please tell me. Huh? Are you here or not?
Got it.
Very good, very good. Very, very simple beta. Chalo, next question. Least perfect square, which is the only thing which we have here is 43560. So yes, you can straight away, you can, without even calculating, you can find out the answer. Why? Tell me.
Like largest five digits.
Sorry.
So for question 17, sir.
Yeah, for 16th question.
Select the largest 5 digits is 99999. So I can subtract the LCM of these numbers from it.
Yes, you have solved in different ways, but I'm not getting responses from anyone of you regularly. I request every one of you to that. Please do respond immediately. LCM square you did do. So 17th question didn't understand. So many of you, I'll teach you that. The greatest number of the 5 digit which on being divided by their numbers 56, 72, 84 and 96 leaves 50 as a reminders. You have to find what you have to do with 56 minus 50. All right. How many of it did in that way?
I have done, sir, for all.
I did it, sir.
So for all we have got 666, sir. We got 6 to the power of 4 in the sense if you are. Like for 56 minus 50, we have got 6, sir, reminder. And 72 minus 66, we got 6, sir. And 84 minus 78 also 6. So,
Yes. No, it's a pretty simple question. Don't worry. Where is that? Let me write here. Yeah. What is the what is the question? Can you not so that I can just go to that? Which is divided by 56, 72, 84, 96, leaves the remainder. So everywhere you are getting 6. That is the magic. That is the magic. Yes. How many of you did it? How many of you didn't do it? I should know the count.
I've done it.
Sorry?
Done it.
Sir, I did, sir.
Yes. Yes, how did
Even
you
I
solve
did.
Even
it?
I.
Who is that? Who is that? Please. I should see you're talking. See, I should see. I'd find that if someone is talking, I should find that. If someone is responding, I should find that. So please kindly tell me who was that. Just now, one guy has this. One guy has the last guy who spoke. What is his name?
Sir, Pranav.
Very good, Pranav. Got it?
Yes,
How did
sir.
you solve it, Pranavji?
Yes, sir. They gave the they gave 5 digit numbers, sir. So first I took once I looked at all 5 digit numbers. So I found that all 4 are 5 digit numbers. So I started dividing by 6, 72, 84, and 96. So means it leaves some reminders like 50, 66, 78, and 90. So then I got 60, 66, 78, and 90.
Okay. Even you can do that. The 56 minus 50, 66. Everywhere you are getting 6. That is what your question. And look at this, guys. Factorize that. You will be look at it. Yes. Gain the solution. Check here. How many of you did this in this way? How many of you did in the same way which he has given here?
Sir, me, sir.
Yes. If you don't go with that, you can take. You can do like this as well. The greatest number. First of all, the greatest 5-digit number is what? 5 nines. 9 lakhs 99,999. Correct? So you can write that as like uh, divisible by what? You can write the as per as Euclid division lemma method. B is equal to, so A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay. And you can just find out that, and many of you did in different ways, and Pranav has explained his way. And next, who is very interesting question. Let's see who has solved differently and whose idea is very better. I mean, very better comparatively the who has explained so far. Tell me, make it fast. Those who have solved, you can tell me. If you don't, then we can proceed. Yes, what happened? First of all, if you can find out in another way as well. First of all, you find out LCM. First of all, you find out LCM of all the numbers given to you. Okay. And just after that, you can just subtract whatever he has given. You can subtract. In that way also you can get. Tell me, Aditi, have you solved Aditi?
So I have got this one wrong.
You got this one wrong. Okay. What about others?
So I got this right.
Oh, Kavya, I'm asking you those who have done, you explain how the procedure.
So
Very,
like
very
first
good.
I found. So like first I found the HCF LCM of 56, 72, 84, and 96. Then I divided it with the largest 5-digit number. Then I
Yes.
then I subtracted it from 6.
Subtracted from?
6. Like 56 minus 56,
Yes.
72 minus 66 is 6, 84 minus 78 is 6, 96 minus 96. So I subtracted the question from 6.
Very, very simple, guys. What is the LCM you got? LCM of, tell me the numbers. What is it? 56, 72, 84. What is LCM? What is LCM you got? Ninety-six twos. What is LCM, guys? What is LCM? Make it fast. Find out the LCM. Quick, quick. People are here. What is the LCM? I'm asking for LCM.
So I didn't get.
You didn't get the answer. बेटा LCM क्या होता है? देखो इसको करेंगे LCM. देखो. Yes, 2016. Look at this. 2016 is the LCM, beta. Just solve in a normal method. You can find out 2016 is the LCM. So what do we have to do? What we have to do?
56. What?
Yes.
Divide the numbers by prime numbers.
Yes. So what? How can we do that?
We have to take 2 and divide all the numbers with 2.
Exactly. Beta, look at this here. It is a very, very similar. Look, first of all, you go with the take largest 5-digit number, which is a triple. I mean 5 nines, and you can do in that way as well. And you can similarly solve. You can similarly solve by using the method which we are doing right now. Correct? Correct or not? Whether voice from my side problem or like, no, I don't know whether it is from your side. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, take the greatest 5-digit number, beta. What is the greatest 5-digit number?
99,999.
Yes, which is 5 nines. Correct? So dividing this thing with what? LCM. What will you be left with? What will you be left with? You just divide this, you will be left with that. Okay. And after that, you can decide it very easily, guys. After that, how can you decide that? After dividing, you will be getting some number, right, beta? So that this result is into that LCM. All right. And minus, what is the remainder it was leaving? 56 minus 50. Let me solve it. So how much you get, beta? The triple 5 nines divided by 2016. Let us solve this. So, or else you take it as 1 lakh and approximately how much you will be getting? So 2004 40 50 times, not 49 times. I think approximately 49 times you will be getting 2050 times 1 lakh. So 49 times it will be 49 6 times. So 49.6 around I'm getting. 49.6 around I'm getting. So now that LCM into 49.6. Or else 49.6 you take 49, no problem. We'll write 49. So how much you left with now? How much you get? So 9 6 54 9. First of all, 2016 into 4, how much? 8064. 8064. So 90 plus 8, so 90. So 98,784. That is what I'm getting. Correct. So therefore, what was the reminder we were leaving? What was the reminder which we leaving? Guys, what is the reminder? We were 56 minus 6. So everywhere 6. So 98778 is the answer. Correct. 784 minus 6. 778. 778, which is the option? 778, option B is correct. Check. Any doubt, guys? Very, very beautiful question. Any doubts?
No doubts.
Yes. The number of prime factors. Number of prime factors. How do you find out that? Guys, prime factorization. If you do not know prime factorization, please do learn it. Go through the like you
So
know.
this one I didn't understand. So can you explain?
Yes. What about others? Guys, I'm asking the question. Everyone should respond. How many of you got these? How many of you didn't get it?
Sir, I thought the 18th question was wrong.
Yes, like I was in something around 8.
Yes, I got some more than 80, sir. I got something more than 80.
Okay.
Sir, I got it.
Sir, I got 84, sir.
You
Yeah,
got
same like
80.
that 84 something like
Yeah,
that.
sir, around 84, 86. I got it around that.
Okay. Okay. Let me solve it. But someone said they got. Who's that? Who's that? No one responded. Right? Yes. What is the question? Number of prime factors. So 6 to the power of, tell me what is it? 6 to the power of 4. 8 to the power of, what was that? Not 8 to the power of, 9 to the power of,
10 to the into 10 to the power of 8.
10 to the power of 8.
12 to the power of 16.
12 to the power of 16.
12 to the power of 16. Okay. Look at it. Let's solve it. So 6 to the power of 4 is nothing but, first of all, 6 prime factors, right? So can you write this as 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 4? Two, you can't write this. So 3 square whole to the power of 6. Correct?
Yes, sir.
2 into 5 into 2 square into 3 whole to the power of 16. We can't write 4 into 3 directly. Correct? So 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4. And 3 to the power of 18, not 18, 12. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And 2 to the power of 8 into 5 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 32 into 3 to the power of 16. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, what can we do here? Very simple. Yes, 2 to the power of 4. So how much you are getting? But check. Add all this. Add all
It's
this.
like adding the
84, sir.
exponent.
Sorry.
Adding the
It is
exponent.
84, sir.
16, 48 and how much here?
Sir, isn't it 44? Like 2 power
Yes,
44?
it's 44. I counted 3, 4 as well. 3 to the power of 4.
Acha, okay, sir.
So 16 and 16. So 32.
32.
So how much? 76.
So yes, sir. It's like
So
84.
76, sir.
Then why you are not
Sir,
getting
what about
76?
5?
And 5 also, sir.
And what about
8
5
more,
power?
which is
Yeah.
84.
84, correct. So we left with 5 again.
Yes, sir.
44 plus this 5 as well. So 44 plus 32 plus 8. 76, 84. 84 is the right answer. We will give a marks, no problem.
Yeah, so
Okay,
then I will
sir.
get 100%.
So x value is equal to this much. Okay, then the value of this. How did you do it? Very simple. How do you solve this?
So like first we can find the value of 8 square, then
Yes.
rationalize the denominator in
Yes.
1 by 8 square.
That's it. Very simple. Next, here also the what is the least possible number which can be divided? The greatest possible number we learned, the least possible number here. How can we solve this?
The same way, so like the 17th one.
Same way you have to solve it. Please do try it. If any one of you are not getting, please do ask me. Any doubts here? Tell me. Any doubts so far in 20 out of 20 questions? Any doubts? Except those 2 questions
No,
which we had run. So except them, any doubts? So that I'll show you. I'll show your marks today. Just a minute. I'll show your marks. Just a minute. Tell me who has to get the mark.
Yes, sir.
So 1 second. Let me just a minute. I am. Yes. Tell me here who has to get the mark. Make it fast. Make it fast.
Sir, I should get, sir.
How much? How much marks?
So
you
like
one-
I should
one
get that last
right?
question.
Sir, I should get 100 marks, sir. Extra 20 marks for
Like-
100.
Even I should
That's
also, sir.
100 marks.
100%, sir.
80 marks maximum, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. I should get 80.
Yes,
How
even
can you
me.
see 100, man?
And then 100%.
Yes. Okay, what about
Sir,
Vivek?
me, Vivek, Ritvik, and Kavya should get 80.
Okay, Ritvik.
I don't know about. Sir, even Mohit, I guess.
Mohit.
Yes, even I should get 5 marks for that.
Yes, Bhumika. 5 marks means like how much? 75.
Oh, sorry, sir. I mean, yeah, 2 questions, sir. So, yeah, total I should get, yeah, 80.
Total you
Because
get 80.
I told you
Yeah,
the
yeah.
first question also there was some
Yes.
problem.
What about Bhumika?
Sir, mine is right.
So all correct?
Yes, sir. I mean, I did 2 mistakes.
No. You made 2 mistakes. That's fine. But the questions, which questions you made a mistake?
Yeah,
The
tell those
question,
questions.
Sir, those were not wrong questions.
those are not wrong questions.
No, sir.
Okay. And what about Nitya? Nitya? No. Aditi?
My 2 answers were wrong.
Okay, fine. So Sai Charan, make it fast.
Sir, actually, I didn't write the test, sir, but I don't know that's why. I think it's not my name.
Yeah. Okay. Pranav,
Yes, sir.
fine. Everything is fine. Tell me.
Sir, it's fine.
Okay.
Sir, I guess Pranav should get.
Yuktasri, I think Yuktasri, how much you have to get one question. So Yuktasri 5 marks. So 65 Yuktasri. Okay. So tell me the percentage one by one. So 100.
Sir, mine is 100.
Yes, I gave
Even
as well.
Ritvik's and Vivek's.
Yes. So 70, so 87.5 is correct. Everyone is correct here. And everyone's correct, I think. Yuktasri and
Sir, my name.
yes.
Harin,
Where is that Harini?
12 numbers.
Oh, okay.
So actually, 2 questions I have to get marks.
So which means 10. So 73 how to get? So for you got
Yes.
how many wrong total?
So actually, I didn't attempt 3, sir. Out of 17, I have got 1 wrong. So in that also,
75. Okay. One question wrong, right? You got like 2 I added, so one question wrong. So 90, 75.
yes.
Like correct only, right? One wrong is nothing but 76. -1, so 75.
Yes, sir, correct only.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what if 6 rounds?
Who's that? What if 6 wrongs? Check 24, 6 into 2, 4, 24. 24 minus 6. So 24 plus 6. 30. So 50 marks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I calculated as 51. So I've got it out.
Okay. Any doubts? So guys, I'll be sharing you this, the updated one, and ranking also I have to update. And this is 2, 2, 2. I think 75. Okay, 75. How much? 93.75. 75, right? 93.75. And yeah, everything is perfect, right? 65. So 81.25 here. 0.25 here. Correct. Apart from this, everything is correct only, right? Guys, check it. Two here, Harini 2. 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? Any doubt, guys? Tell me now. People, any doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.